This is the correct way to thread your industrial direct drive sewing machine. Follow me. So first of all, you put the thread on the spool holder and then you pass it through the hole on the left. Next, you pass it through the 3 holes, looping it around it like so. And next, you also loop it around these 2 holes here and passing through the tension disc and underneath that hook all the way up through that hole and back down through the loop there and through that hole and finally into the needle eye. Thank you.